Hello friends, welcome to the 40 episode of Joomla 2.5 custom component development series. In the previous episode we have learned how to use model in our component, and we have created one model in our working component, that is com_chat. So in the backend we have created this model chat history, and we have implemented this model in this task controller test. So we have print out all these items from that model, and we have also called this function get hello, and this was working. So in this episode I will show you how to use model in your view section. So let's we will for this demonstration we will create an view. Let's call this chat history view chat history. So as you can see, the chat history view is not exist, so we will create this view. So from the previous lesson I have explained that how to create view. So I'm creating view. So I need to create that folder, that is chat history. Inside chat history we have to create the view.html.php view.html.php, and I'm copy pasting from existing view because you have already learned. So for quick reason, this one, and we need to change this class name, so that should be chat history. Let's change the title section, so chat. So if you run this, it will not work because we have not defined our layout file, so we need to define the layout file. So inside chat history we need to create another folder called tmpl, that's the layout folder, and here we have to create layout file, that is default.php. so default.php. so let's echo some text and save, and let's try. So if I refresh this page, here we can see the chat history as well as the text. So in this view we will use the model. So in the model chat history model there is the get items, so we will fetch this item. So at first we need to from the layout file, the model is not accessible. From this intermediate class we can access the model, and we can pass this data to this default.php. I have already explained in the previous tutorial, so I am implementing that section. So here I have to get a model instance, so let's create model. So $this get model. So I have got the model instance. Now we will get all the items from that model. Okay, so let's create a protected variable, protected $items. So now I will assign the value, so $these items equal to $model, and I will call that model method, that is get items. So let's copy and paste the function. So I have get the main model. Now for demonstration I am also showing you how to call different methods, like other method like hello. So let's copy paste. If you have facing any problem this I'm using copy paste, then please write comment. I will write everything without copy paste. So we have to call this method. So we have called these two model method, and we have saved this variable. Now this variable can be accessible from this default.php page. So let's test the hello is working or not. So for security reason we must have to defined, that is defined _JEXC, sorry, or die access deny. So now let's print this hello. So save. Let's refresh this page. So here you can see hello world. So the date we are able to fetch data from the model. So let's print the items. So echo pre, so that it's formatted good, print _r $these items. So now save and refresh this page. So here you can see all the chat messages are coming. So now we can easily iterate through this message, and we can display. So let's implement previously we have implemented in the controller section chat history, but this is not good way. So we will copy all these details and we will place in the view. Okay, now we have to change few things. So like pagination we have not implemented yet. Save. And chats, so this variable we have to here chats, so this will be dollar these items. Okay, and rest of the things hopefully everything is right. So we have assigned this one and we are iterating through this. So let's refresh this page. So here you can see our model is working, that we are able to fetch all the data from the model. Now this time we are displaying in the view, we are not displaying in the controller, and this is the good way. So now the problem is pagination is not working, so we need to enable the pagination in the model class. So let's start. So here is the model. So for this pagination we need this, so let's copy and paste here. Now in the construction, model construction, we will write these things. Okay, now we need few methods like get total. These methods we need chat history, get total method, and pagination. So now let's check everything is working or not. Still we have not total is not working in the chat history 46 number line. So in the chat history 46 number line, so here new pagination dollar total, so total should be like this, dollar total, so on dollar this get total. Here you can see get total function calculate all the number of rows. Save. Let's refresh this page. So warning gone. So now we have to use the pagination object. So directly we cannot call this pagination object. So how do we call? So here we have we will create another function like get pagination. So get pagination. So let's create this function. So function get pagination which return the pagination. So return dollar this pagination. Okay, so now we will use this method in the view.html file. So let's create another protected variable dollar protected, so dollar pagination. So now we will assign this value like dollar this pagination equal to dollar model get pagination. So we are calling this method. So from the default.php we have accessed this object. So using this object we can display the pagination. So in the default.php here you can see that object. So now we can uncomment this line. So let's save this and let's go to the view section and refresh. So here you can see the pagination is displaying. So if I click here, so it's redirecting to chat history page. So we need to modify something. So let's check what we need to modify, because in the form action we have given this task equal to something, but instead of task we need to give the view. So view chat history, right? Save. And refresh this page. So now we are in the chat history page. If I click on the 5 record per page, next we are going to page 2, but the number of page is not changing, so there is some problem. So let's figure out. Per page, new j pagination, $this per page, $this limit start. So here you can see we have not defined the limit, so we have to define this limit. So in the controller previously we have defined like get chat history. Here you can see this limit. So let's copy this and paste. So chat history, so we have defined this limit. Okay, now save and refresh. So now this time it's working. Now 10 records is displaying. If I change to 5, so this time 5, no, still not. I think 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Oh yeah, we have placed the 10, that's why 10 records. So if I change this to 5, so let's refresh this page. So it should display the 5 record. Here you can see the 5 record and we have got 4 page. So if I click on the next, now I am into second page, 3 page and 4 page. So this thing we will implement later section. We have implemented our model in the view. So let's review all these things. So what we have did. So if you have any problem understanding, then please write your comment. I will create another video to explain, or if you have any question then ask please. So let's review. So we have created this. Previously we have defined all the functionality in the controller, like in the chat history task. So in the controller, lot of code there. So if you open the controller section, then chat history, here lot of controller function, so we need to separate them. So what I did, I have created another view. So if I go to the view equal to chat history, so now here we can see the same result, like all the chat history list is pagination also working. But what we did, we have created an extra model. So here we have created this model chat history. So you already learned how to create the chat history. So here we have created the view.html and default.php, and for the business logic we have created this model, that is chat history. So place this model. Okay, so now all the query and other get items stuff are present in the model, and this is the view.html php and this is the default.php. This from this page, like default.php, we cannot interact to the model directly. So there is an intermediate, that is, this is the abstraction layer, this file. So this file can interact with the model and this file can interact with the default.php, but default.php and chat history page cannot interact to each other. So that's why we have stored all the required items and object within this page. Like in this way we have got the model instance, so this class, and using that instance we are calling various methods like get items, get hello and get paginations. We have already defined here get hello, get total, get items and get pagination, etc. Now we are assigning this to protected variable and accessing from this page. So everything is working fine, and we have written a lot of codes, but we have used that J model. But in the next tutorial I will show you another model, different type of model. So everything will be done in a simple way without writing that much of code. We have written a lot of code here, so we will minimize the code in the next tutorial, and also we will learn another new type of model in Joomla. So hopefully you guys learn how to use J model in your component and view. So thanks for watching this tutorial, and guys please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, suggestion, please write your comment below this video. Thank you, have a good day.